Hey everyone, welcome back to Banat Jack TV. Today, we have some important and interesting news to share with you. The Cagayan de Oro City Police Office recently conducted a simulation exercise on a bomb explosion incident at the San Agustin Metropolitan Cathedral, Cagayan de Oro City. I'm going to take you through the details of this exercise and how it aims to ensure the safety and security of the public. Let's dive in! So, on December 29, 2023 at 10 a.m., the COCPO, under the leadership of Police Colonel Salvador N. Radam, City Director, carried out a simulation exercise at the San Agustin Metropolitan Cathedral in Barangay 1, Cagayan de Oro City. This exercise was coordinated by Police Lieutenant Colonel Dopar Chris A. Quarisma, the officer in charge of COCPO. Police Lieutenant Colonel Quarisma emphasized the importance of proactive measures to ensure public safety, especially with an anticipated increase in the number of people visiting key gathering points in Cagayan de Oro City. The simulation exercise involved personnel from different police stations, CMFC, CECU, COCPO, and other law enforcement agencies such as Task Force Oro, Bureau of Fire Protection, Philippine Coast Guard, as well as local government units USAR and Oro Rescue. The goal to enhance interoperability and communication among PNP units and other government agencies. Police Lieutenant Colonel Quarisma stressed the importance of reviewing knowledge, skills, and attitudes towards responding to such incidents. His assessment highlighted the need to increase everyone's knowledge on simulation exercises and emphasized the strict observance of the incident command system by all participating personnel.
Dili pa lang siguro na train no kanina sistema.
He also recommended ongoing training for personnel in every office, the involvement of training of trainers to review the basic and close observation of everybody's task during these exercises. In summary, Police Lieutenant Colonel Quarisma expressed appreciation for the unity and teamwork displayed by all participating personnel and congratulated everyone for their efforts in making the simulation exercise a success. And there you have it, guys. Thank you so much, Kabanat. A behind-the-scenes look at the simulation exercise conducted by COCPO at the San Agustin Metropolitan Cathedral. It's heartening to see our law enforcement agencies and various organizations working together to ensure our safety. If you found this video informative, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more updates. Please follow my official page on Facebook, Banat Jack TV. Stay safe, and until next time, this is your Banat Jack TV signing off.